The scent of pili dancing in the breeze, and the taste of pinangat that drops soft in every leaf. Pulangi is not just a town. It is a memory kept alive by its people. From the tabi-tabi po whispered in reverence, I am Pulangi, the embodiment of a woman and a land. In every heartbeat, I lived again, resilient, radiant, and rooted. Mirror of beauty, courage, and culture. Once again, and me, Albay remembers. And me, Pulangi prospers. Thank you very much.